General Pinchers has returned, den, hungrier, angrier, and more dangerous than ever. Captain Thorn.
In the heart of the Red Hills, fire never stopped burning. A new army was being forged, built from vengeance, not just gold.
Last time, we took their gold. This time, we take everything they love.
Meanwhile, far from the Red Hills, the Black Ant colony had begun to heal. Slowly, painfully, they were rebuilding everything they had lost.
Keep your stance strong, soldier. Focus. Remember, they're coming.
Yes, Captain.
Good. Ready your spears. Ready for battle. He ran like he had never run before. Every second mattered. The colony had to know. They're coming! Thousands of them! It's not an army anymore. It's an empire marching for war.
Queen Obsidia did not tremble. She did not run. We built this home with our own hands, and we will defend it with our own lives.
Captain Thorn stood at the edge of the ridge, staring into the horizon. This time, he would not just defend his home, he would end this war for good.
And then, the horizon turned red. An army greater than anything the Black Colony had ever faced was coming for them.
At the front of it all rode General Pinchers, Khan, eyes cold, heart burning with revenge.
2 armies, 2 worlds, 1 battlefield. And this time, there would be no mercy for the losing side. 2 warriors, 2 destinies, and in the next moment, everything would change forever. End of part 1.
This is it. The moment both armies had been waiting for. The battle for everything has begun.
Captain Thorn led the charge himself, refusing to send his soldiers anywhere he wouldn't go first.
Steel met steel. Mandible met mandible. Every soldier fought like it was their very last breath.
Hold your ground. Secure the flanks. We will not fall this day.
General Pinchers tore through the battlefield like a storm, unstoppable, unforgiving.
Not every soldier was ready for this. Some found themselves face to face with death itself.
But Captain Thorn was always watching. No soldier would fall while he still stood.
Slowly, the Black Colony's defenses began to hold. Their walls, their training, their courage, nothing. It was working.
Enough of this! Second Army, now! Charge! Wait! There's more of them! We're outnumbered! Prepare yourselves! The battlefield was about to be overrun!
The Black Colony's courage alone would not be enough.
In that moment, Captain Thorn and Queen Obsidia shared one silent look pine. It was time for their final plan.
Queen Obsidia gave the signal only her most trusted soldiers understood. A dome. The hidden trap was ready.
From beneath their very feet, an entire hidden battalion rose up. The Red Army never saw it coming.
You won't take this from us, Pinchers! You're finished, Thorn!
As the sun rose over the battlefield, the Red Army retreated in defeat. The Black Colony had won.